Alright, here's a quick unboxing. And I say quick because I want to use this morning. Of the Omega VSJ843QS. So it's the square silver one. Let's see if I can get this out with one hand. No. Yeah, let me get that first. So here's one side. The lighting might be bad in here, so I might just have to brighten this up, but here's another side. Come on. And another side. And the last side. Is it gonna focus? Maybe, maybe not. Alright. Pop this guy open. And don't tell me that's another box. Good. Okay, what do we got here? Instructions. Oh no! Oh no! Come on. Let me do this one-handed. Other things together. This isn't working. And I have to turn it on. And precautions. See that? Precautions for safe use. Yeah, okay. Yeah, there's the specs. Let's get that. Alright, and here, I guess if you want to write stuff, who knows. And I think I remember this, you have to send it in within a certain amount of days to actually get the warranty. I don't think it says the time frame on it, but I feel like it's within a certain amount of time of your purchase, but oh well. Let's see. What's in here? Okay, let me just get everything out. The 5 main things, or the 5 little packages that came out of the box. Here we have the 2 pitchers. Here we have the lid to the smaller pitcher. This one right here. I'll show you. Right there. There is the pusher and the brush. There's the actual, unit. In here we have what goes on the unit. Although I can't tell if the camera's doing a good job with this 40-watt equivalent LED on. Yeah, I haven't got the studio set up yet. But anyways, there's the unboxing. This has the power cord attached. Here. I'll make a review in the future. But right now, I want to get using it, so I just wanted to record that. Alright guys, thanks for watching.